This is another extension exercise after working with the pegboard, is to transfer the pattern onto a card with dots 10 by 10 again, with a triangular dry wipe pen. The pegs are represented by drawing a circle around the dot. We start above the dot, turn to the left and go around the dot. And we're aiming to have equal spaces from the dot and to close the circle at the top. They're very easily wiped off, so the dot cards can be used again and again. Now, you know we made a pattern there, and like it was on the card. Now we're going to make a pattern on the card. And we're going to use a pen that we can wipe off. Now I want you to hold that properly, that pen. And look, you're starting at, each peg is like a circle around a dot. So you start above the dot and you go to the left, you go all the way around and then you close the circle. And that's one peg. And then you do the next peg. Hold your pencil properly. Yeah. Off you go. Excellent. Now the next peg. Try and do the circle a little bit smaller. You're doing a good job, Angela. Beautiful. Can you now draw a straight line through all the dots, all the way down? Yeah? Okay, hold it. Well done. Here, the dot card has been photocopied onto paper, and for this exercise I use a colored triangular pen. When we draw on paper, we get a better sensory feedback because there's more friction on paper. So again, I copy the pattern and draw around the dots. I start above the dots and draw around, each one representing one peg. And again, I make sure that the circle is at regular distance from the dot and that the line is closed at the top. Alternatively, we can represent this by joining the dots and making a continuous line.